Shamelessly Arguing with Vegans is this book authored by me, Swati Prakash, and in this I have debunked 150 arguments that have been placed in this matrix all around us unnecessarily to delude people, to confuse people, to spread myths that we need to consume animals or consider animals as lower than us, to consider humans as different from animals, and so on and so forth. When the truth is simple, we are animals, we are sentient beings, all animals need to respect each other in ways that we shouldn't unnecessarily attack someone, especially if you are human, if you are a herbivore, conscious, evolved being who's naturally suited to a plant-based diet, who will suffer otherwise, because animal products are ruining our health, our well-being, and causing climate catastrophe. And these are facts we all need to learn. So please download this book, share it. It is free. earthhealingnetwork.com is the website. And before I pick up the argument for the day, I have this important message for you. Now look at this message. Friends, not food. Here you see these beautiful animals, a lamb, a pig, a baby calf. And look at this, who's next to it? A human baby. Yes, friends, not food. Would you eat any of these babies? Do you think a human baby is superior to that of a pig's baby or a cow's baby or a sheep's baby? No. Let us remove this myth of superiority. Let us be kind to each other because we are humans. We can think in a better way than our ancestors did. But what are the arguments from the matrix historically? What is polluting our environment and creating all this stress unnecessarily? Let's pick up the argument for the day. Here it is, one that I haven't cited before. Argument number 9, balance of nature. Now this is an important point that has to be debunked. Each species consumes another. So one species has to eat another, otherwise the other species will take over the planet. So a carnivore consumes a herbivore, otherwise the herbivores will increase and spread out so much and take over the whole planet. The cows are going to take over the planet, or pigs will take over the planet if we don't consume them. Is this sensible? Is this logical? So this argument was actually stated even in primary school by my class teacher. Now, I remember going to school, year 1, excited to be in primary school, out of nursery, yay, and see the lesson we were given. This lady tells me, along with all the children behind, and this is my memory, so that's how it goes. Imagine if no one ate any plants, there'll be nothing. We have to eat plants because Earth will be overtaken by plants if no one eats plants. So we need to eat plants. And similarly, if we don't eat animals, Earth will be overfull of animals. So we need to eat animals. So this is called balance of nature, she said. This is necessary. So if no one eats cows, cows will eat all the plants. There'll be no plants left. So we need to eat cows so that some plants are left. So you are eating cows so that some plants are left in this earth. You're saving the planet by eating cows. So imagine school teachers have been teaching this to our generations, to our past generations. And that's why she said there are tigers, there are lions. God's designed it like this. The universe is designed in this way that there is balance. So a lot of people believe in this argument. They believe that they are eating cows to protect the planet, to create. Are we really so silly to think that we are maintaining the balance of nature by eating animals every day, by killing, after breeding 80 billion animals in farms? Imagine you are farming animals, you're putting them there purposely to exploit them, to enslave them, and you're breeding them so that you reproduce more and more animals. How many more? 10 times more than the human on land, human population on land is that of the other species. Chicken, pigs, and trillions of fish are killed every year. 80 billion animals are killed every year. This is just for food alone. Now imagine for other things like fur, leather, for other types of animal products, testing. Total is 150 billion animals killed every year, and this is the year 2021 statistics, so it might have increased. Is this going to save the planet or ruin the planet? You're breeding more animals by being non-vegan. Try to understand. You're not controlling the population of animals, you're increasing the population of animals if you are being non-vegan. You are destroying all the resources of earth. Resources such as land, forests, trees, grass, crops, like soya, they are all produced and going away to feed the animals so that the animals become food for you. So literally the planet is suffering, the water is less, the soil is eroded because trees are disappearing. You will have no plants left and you'll have no life left on earth if you continue being non-vegan. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So how balanced are you feeling today on this planet? How balanced do you think the planet is feeling? So every time you order a hot chicken tub, are you really saving the world? Calculating species proportions and balancing the delicate ecosystem, or are you causing more breeding of animals and unnecessary violence? By cooking all types of fish except the giant blue whale, which is technically not a fish, for your dinner, are you really conserving the planet and helping wildlife? No. You're emptying the oceans of fish, and oceans become empty and oceans die, the planet dies. This is going to happen sometime starting 2040s, according to estimates. And the Amazon rainforests are probably going to evaporate in the 2020s, this century, this decade, not just this century. Imagine you've got just hardly a few years left, and then the planet's going bye-bye. Slowly and slowly, climate catastrophe will become more and more obvious. Climate denial is not going to help. Are you really being a guardian and a scientific genius, saving enormous amount of plants by breeding cows and consuming dairy? The more dairy you have, the more loss you're causing the planet. None of us are living as per our instincts, as human instincts. We are not meant to be like tigers and lions, dear. We are humans. We are supposed to think. We're supposed to be sensible, intelligent species. So let's behave intelligence. Let's stop farming and breeding animals and ban this stupid practice right away. Our appetite, our taste buds have cost us our planet. We all are going extinct. Yeah, all other species are in fact already extinct at lightning speed year after year, all due to animal farming. What do you see around you when you're walking around in your city? Do you see wildlife? No, you probably just see a couple of squirrels sometimes if you're lucky. You are probably seeing some pigeons. You are seeing animals only as dead bodies in your supermarket. Yeah, it's a shame. We have no interaction with the natural world. Nature is sparse and scarce. Maybe some insects are seen and spiders or something in your home, pests. You are really not in tune with nature. The planet is being destroyed. Nature has suffered and continues to suffer greatly for our mistakes, because of our fault, because of farming animals, so many billions year after year on land and trillions in the water bodies. We're ruining our environment and we're causing abject violence, which is so difficult, unbearable to even see. So please check out the documentaries, Earthlings and Dominion. Stop this carnage right away. This isn't nice. It's unpleasant. It's uncivilized. Let's be human.